What's up, fitness fanatics? If you're serious about building muscle and boosting your strength, then you've definitely heard of creatine. It's one of the most badass supplements out there for packing on mass and crushing your workouts. But let's be real, there are some straight up ninja secrets about creatine that nobody seems to talk about. In this video, we're gonna blow your mind with 10 things that nobody tells you about creatine. It doesn't matter if you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, you're about to get schooled on all the dope details. So, let's dive in and uncover the hidden truths about this wicked supplement. Number 10. Creatine is not a steroid. No, creatine is not a steroid. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in food, particularly in meat and fish. It is produced naturally in the body from the amino acids glycine and arginine. While creatine is sometimes associated with anabolic steroids, it is not a steroid itself. Creatine works differently from steroids and is not classified as a controlled substance like steroids. Creatine is often mistaken for a steroid, but it is a naturally occurring compound found in food, especially meat and fish. It is produced naturally in the body from the amino acids glycine and arginine. Number 9. Increases muscle size and strength. Yes, creatine has been shown to increase muscle size and strength, particularly during resistance training. Creatine works by increasing the amount of energy available to the muscles during high-intensity exercise, which can help to improve performance and support muscle growth over time. It is important to note that the degree to which creatine supplementation improves muscle size and strength can vary depending on a number of factors, including individual response, dosage, and training regimen. However, for many people, creatine can be a safe and effective supplement to support muscle growth and performance gains. Number 8. Does not work for everyone. Creatine is a popular supplement used by athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts to increase muscle mass, strength, and performance. However, the effectiveness of creatine can vary depending on a number of factors, and it may not work for everyone. Research suggests that creatine supplementation can benefit individuals who engage in high-intensity, short-duration activities such as weightlifting, sprinting, and jumping. It may also be beneficial for vegetarians or vegans who have lower levels of creatine in their diets. However, some individuals may not experience significant benefits from creatine supplementation. Factors such as genetics, diet, and training status may play a role in determining whether or not creatine is effective for a particular individual. Number 7. Creatine can cause water retention. When you take creatine, it can increase the amount of water stored in your muscles, which can lead to a temporary increase in body weight. This is because creatine pulls water into the muscles, which can make them appear fuller and larger. However, this water weight gain is usually temporary and should subside after stopping creatine supplementation. Additionally, staying hydrated and taking the recommended dose of creatine can help minimize the risk of water retention. Number 6. Creatine can cause stomach upset. Some people may experience stomach upset when taking creatine, but it is not a common side effect. The most common side effects of creatine supplementation are typically mild and include things like muscle cramping, diarrhea, and nausea. However, these side effects are usually temporary and can be minimized by taking creatine with food and staying properly hydrated. If you experience persistent stomach upset or any other concerning symptoms while taking creatine, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 5. Increases the risk of dehydration. Creatine itself does not cause dehydration, but it can increase the risk of dehydration if you do not consume enough fluids while taking it. When you take creatine, it pulls water into your muscles, which can increase your overall need for water. Therefore, it is important to stay properly hydrated while taking creatine to prevent dehydration and other potential side effects. Drinking plenty of water and other fluids throughout the day can help maintain hydration levels and minimize the risk of dehydration. It is also important to follow the recommended dosage instructions and avoid taking more than the recommended amount of creatine, as this can increase the risk of dehydration and other adverse effects. Number 4. Creatine does not improve endurance. Creatine is typically associated with improvements in strength and power, but it may also have some benefits for endurance performance. Research suggests that creatine supplementation may help improve endurance by increasing the availability of energy substrates within the muscle cells, reducing muscle fatigue, and enhancing the buffering capacity of the muscle tissue. However, the magnitude of these effects may be relatively small compared to the improvements seen in strength and power. Overall, creatine has been shown to improve short-term, high-intensity exercise performance, but it does not improve endurance or aerobic performance. Number 3. Creatine can interact with medications. Creatine may interact with certain medications, so it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting creatine supplementation if you are taking any prescription medications or have any underlying health conditions. Some medications that may interact with creatine include diuretics, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and some types of antibiotics. Taking creatine along with these medications may increase the risk of dehydration, kidney damage, and other potential side effects. Number 2. Is creatine safe for everyone? Creatine is generally considered safe for healthy individuals when taken within recommended doses. However, it may not be safe for everyone, and there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Creatine may not be safe for individuals with certain health conditions, such as kidney disease, liver disease, or diabetes. Additionally, it may interact with certain medications, as I mentioned in the previous answer. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting creatine supplementation to ensure that it is safe for you. Number 1. Not all creatine are created equal. There are many different types of creatine supplements on the market, and they can vary in terms of their purity, effectiveness, and safety. The most common type of creatine supplement is creatine monohydrate, which has been extensively researched and is considered safe and effective when taken within recommended doses. However, other types of creatine supplements, such as creatine ethyl ester or buffered creatine, may not be as well studied or effective. Additionally, the quality and purity of creatine supplements can vary depending on the manufacturer and the source of the creatine. Some supplements may be contaminated with impurities or other substances, which can pose health risks. It is important to choose a reputable brand and purchase from a trusted source to ensure the quality and safety of the supplement. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our 10 hidden truths about creatine. Don't forget to like and share, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.